Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome to Bible 365, Bible Stories and Prayers, where we read one Bible story a day for one whole year. Last time, boys and girls, we read Genesis 25:19 through 34. For many years after they were married, Isaac and Rebekah had no children. Isaac remembered God's promise that Abraham's family would be the start of a great nation. Rebekah gave birth to twin boys, Esau and Jacob. Esau came in from hunting. Jacob was cooking. Please give me some of that stew, only if you agree that I will be the number one son. Now today, we're reading Jacob tricks Esau and Isaac. This is Genesis 27. Even though they were twins, Jacob and Esau didn't look alike at all. Jacob had smooth skin. He wasn't hairy like Esau. He didn't have Esau's red hair either. Isaac grew old. He went blind. Isaac is the father. He knew he would die soon. At that time, it was important for a dying father to bless his eldest son as the new head of the family. Isaac sent Esau out hunting so that they could share a meal of Isaac's favorite meat before the blessing. But Jacob remembered the bargain he had made with his brother. Only if you agree that I will be the number one son and the head of the family when our father dies. That he had swiped his place as the number one son for a bowl of lentil stew. Jacob wanted to be sure that he would be the one to receive Isaac's blessing. What is more, Jacob's mother, Rebekah, was on his side. So Rebekah made a plan. If Jacob pretended to be Esau, Isaac would never know because he was blind. He would bless Jacob instead of Esau. While Esau was out hunting, Rebekah told Jacob to kill 2 kids from the goat herd. So 2 goats, not 2 literal kids, 2 goats, which is animals. And this is the Bible. She made a tasty stew with the meat and then wrapped the goat's skin around Jacob's arms so he would feel hairy like his brother Esau. She dressed him in Esau's clothes and then sent him to Isaac with the food. At first, all went well. Isaac smiled with delicious food. When he reached out to touch his son, he felt the hairy arms and thought that it was Esau. But the voice sounded wrong. Is it really you, Esau? Isaac asked his son. Yes, I am Esau, Jacob lied to his father. So Isaac prayed for God's blessing on Jacob, thinking that he was his oldest son. When Esau returned and took food into his father, he found out what had happened. He was so angry that Rebekah was afraid he would kill Jacob. She persuaded Isaac that it would be a good time for Jacob to go away to find himself a wife. This way, he would be out of danger. So what did you learn? Jacob tricked his brother Esau. Okay, so tomorrow, or the next time, boys and girls, we'll read Jacob's ladder, Genesis 28:10 through 22. Jacob was sent to... Thank you very much for listening and watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Later.